Hello everyone, this is Joe Meloche, Superintendent of the Cherry Hill Public School District. Today is Wednesday, November the 23rd, and I'm standing in the all-purpose room at Bret Harte Elementary School with some brand new Bret Harte friends. Also joining me here in the all-purpose room are Mr. Dumar Burgess, our Bret Harte Elementary School principal, and Miss Sarah Egan, who's our school counselor here at Bret Harte. And I was thrilled to come over here this morning because Mr. Burgess invited me to the Harte Smarties Assembly. This is the first major assembly they've done like this in more than 2 years. So I was very excited to come over because we had the opportunity to see all of these students of the month from across the grade levels announced because of their incredible behavior. There's a wonderful program that's going on here for the social emotional learning and character education at Bret Harte that highlights the good works that are done by our children. In this great time of giving thanks, I'm incredibly thankful for our children and our families in Cherry Hill. Take some time over the next 4 days to celebrate one another and to enjoy family and friends. This has been a little more than a thankful minute.
Yay! Hey, cheers!